What's up? Welcome back to Taco Potato Mustang. I'm Matt. So I just wanted to do a quick update on the battery situation because after I finished my video my most recent video that I just put up, I let the battery for the Fox body charge overnight on the trickle charger, and then the next morning I put it in the car and it cranked right up. So and the only difference between then and earlier was that I had taken the sun visors out, which the lights might have been drawing from the battery. So and then I did a voltage test, or whatever you want to call it, on the battery with the multimeter yesterday, and it was showing about 12 volts. I don't even know if I'm using the right terminology, but and I'm doing it. I have it set up again, and it's showing the same. So I'm going to see if I can crank the car, and then if that's the case, then I feel like maybe the issue was the sun visor vanity mirror lights. So again, shout out to Jarrett for pointing that out in the YouTube comments. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the car started and see how it goes. Great success. So it appears as though the issue was that power was being drawn from the vanity mirror lights. So this is a good sign. We got that diagnosed. And also I just got some PA Performance, so I don't know the exact name, but battery cable kit that I'm going to be putting in, because I also discovered that the positive battery terminal has a little bit of a crack in it, so can't be a bad thing to replace those. Also, just wanted to mention one thing, because a couple of people had commented this on the video. A couple of people had said something about how I shouldn't have the battery sitting on concrete, which is where I had it, where it was charging in the trickle charger. And I did a little bit of research, and it appears as though that's sort of an urban myth based on some characteristics of old battery packaging. According to, and I'm no engineer, maybe I'm sure there's other channels or websites that address this in layman's terms, but according to northeastbattery.com, at Battery 101, do cement floors ruin car batteries? So they basically say that early car batteries that were lead acid batteries that had glass cells all encased in a wooden box, the moisture from a concrete or cement floor would cause the wooden box to wrap, allowing the glass shells to shift and break. And with the evolution of modern day batteries encased in plastic, it seems like this is no longer an issue. So just wanted to make that note, and if somebody disagrees, feel free to challenge me. I'm not an expert. I'm going to do more reading on it, but as far as I know, it's safe to put a modern car battery on a concrete floor. I mean, dry concrete floor. So yeah, just wanted to say that for now. Okay. So anyways, here is the PA Performance battery cable kit that just arrived in the mail yesterday. So you can see these are the new cables. These are the new terminals. Definitely looks to be pretty good quality product. So I'm going to try and get those installed soon and see if it helps the car run any better. The battery cables that are currently on the car they've seen better days. I mean, the negative terminal comes off pretty easily, actually, and then the positive terminal has a crack. So anyways, just wanted to share that quick battery related update on the Fox body. I'm gonna do probably a more comprehensive video when I get the battery cables installed and when I get make some progress on a few other things. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel and you like it, please subscribe and hit me up on Instagram, Taco Potato Mustang. Peace.